What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And be sure to turn on the notification to get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can buy a Disney gift card online. So it's pretty simple. So to buy a Disney gift card online, first you need to go to your browser. It could be any browser, Google Chrome, but right now I'm using Google browser. And go to your browser and type Disney gift card and press enter. And after you click that, you can click on this website where it says shopdisney.com over here. Click on it and it's gonna take you to this website over here, which is Disney's official website. And over here you can scroll down and click on Disney gift card by mail or Disney gift card by email. So by mail you mean you're gonna receive a physical gift card over here like this, which you can touch, and by mail it's gonna email you all the necessary detail of the card on your email, and you can use it like through your email. So I'm gonna go to by email because it's easy. You can do by mail as well, it's the same process. Now over here I can choose which type of gift card I want right now from here. So I can click on whichever I want, like a Mickey Mouse gift card or a Child Disney gift card. Now from over here, I can, select a gift card amount. Like it ranges from $25 to $500. So I'm going to buy a $25 one. So I'm going to click on $25. Now over here, I'm going to enter the email of the person to whom this card is going to be sent. So I'm going to enter the email and his name over here as well. And over here, I'm going to enter the person's name who's going to receive the card. So let me enter his name. After entering his name, I can write a message to him like, have a nice day. This is a gift from me, but this is optional if you want to add. But if you don't want to add, you can leave this like empty. Now over here, you can choose the quantity of the card, like how many cards you want to gift him, one card or two cards. So I just want to gift him one card. So I'm going to enter one and click on add to bag. After it's added to bag, I can click on view full bag. Now over here, I can scroll down and click on sign in and checkout. Now over here, I need to sign into my Disney account. But if you don't have a Disney account, you can click on create an account. And after you sign into the Disney account, it's going to ask for your payment method. And after filling up your payment method, like your credit card detail or your debit card detail, it will say confirm order, and click on confirm order, and you should be able to buy a Disney gift card. So that's basically how you buy a Disney gift card. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And a tip, if you guys don't want to create a Disney account, you can just click on guest checkout, where you don't have to create a Disney account. It's straight up gonna take you to your payment method over here like this. So yeah, this is the easy way as well if you don't want to go through the hassle of creating an account. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.